For better retail, we need better connections. PwC and Salesforce are working together to connect auto OEMs, dealers and consumers seamlessly, creating better, more immersive experiences that can transform cars from tools we travel with to brands we live with, taking us from a journey between points A and B to a medium for growing connections, and along the way, changing the focus of ownership from products we purchase to concepts we adapt and build together, meeting each brand or consumer where they are to help unlock capabilities and experiences, integrating new technologies and new connections, and continually evolving relationships between brands, OEMs and consumers, resulting in new revenue models for the auto industry, new experiences for consumers, and new definitions of what it means to succeed in a retail environment. Redefining ownership, one connection at a time.